Hello guys, today we're in a new Animal Company update. Oh look! Our mouse moves the same time as we talk.
Oh,
That's cool.
yeah.
For real?
Not at the same
Let's
time,
go!
but there's a delay.
New
There's a
update.
delay.
But
Like,
yeah.
Just like a tiny bit, not massive.
yeah, like a
this
1
is
second
go-
delay. Like a
But
1
we're gonna
second
be
delay.
going
Yeah.
to get some broccoli to the
Yeah.
new map.
The
We're showing
pink
the,
and the green one.
Yeah, and the green
Yep.
one looks like
so
this.
let's go.
The green one.
He's gonna lead the way because
Green one is the one that y'all all know and love.
Yep. Let me
Yep.
try to find it real quick.
Let's look at the pink one. The pink one looks pretty cool.
Yeah, I don't think I have it.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot I ate it all.
We can
Shut
so
up.
massive.
I didn't say anything.
Oh my. Alright, come on, let's go.
Where do we go?
Here, let me leave
Name
the
of the Bible.
I already
Name
know
of
where
the
to go.
Bible.
Just keep
Name of
going.
the
Guys,
Bible, buddy.
I have
Is
y'all
name of the Bible.
I have y'all know this video might be pretty long, so yeah.
Name of the Bible. Name of the Bible. Let me
This
click
video will
this
be
real
long.
quick, 'cause, Name of the Bible.
Yep.
Name of the Bible. Boom.
Over here now.
Name of the Bible.
I think.
It's nuts.
Wow, the
Okay,
master
here.
doesn't.
Dude, what the heck? I swear it's over here. Hold
It's
up.
not over here, Buckaroo. It's
That's
over
why
here.
this video will be long.
Oh yeah,
that's-
it's over here.
Name of the Bible. Name of the Bible.
Oh yeah, it's right here. It's right here. It's up here. It's up here.
Is it though?
Yes.
It is. What in the world?
Oh, yo.
Okay, here. Go on the wall. Go on the wall. Go on this wall.
Why?
Or do you want to do it legit? Those fall, by the way. Those should fall, I think.
Oh, let's check.
This is the easy.
Holy Sigmatins! Why can't I move? I'm stuck.
For real? Why can I not move?
Wait!
Yeah, let's fall. Watch out. Kiki, hurry up. It's over here. What is Kiki doing? Don't go in, don't go in.
Stop! We're getting ready for Kiki. Yeah, there we go.
Whoa!
Holy Sigma. Oh my god, it's gonna be so loud. Yeah, low data. Hey, can we mine this? Oh, we can't. Can we collect this? Y'all collecting as much of this as I can. But the fact that they added it in 1 week is crazy, bro. They only had 1 week to cook up, bro. Animal Company's been cooking our beef.
Alright, get it. We just put it in back.
The pink ones! Yo, what do these do?
Alright, and then get as much as you can. Get as much as you can. Because to escape, you need to.
Oh my Sigma. Whoa, is it just me or did everything turn bigger?
What?
Is it just me or did everything turn bigger once I ate the pink stuff?
I know, because you turn smaller and smaller.
Oh.
So, look, do y'all want to go left now? Or get as much as you can down? Wait, we need to do different blocks. Here. No,
Wait, what?
let's go home back. Give me one. No, you need two. Just get two out of your bag.
Oh, Kiki, look here. No.
Stop one out. Get it. Grab it. Alright.
Wait, hold on.
What you need to do? What? You need to go here.
Yeah? Jesus Christ, bro, I can't even see anything.
Little tiny
Holy.
toothpick to me. This is a toothpick to me.
Whoa. Alright, guys, let's see all of this. Kiki!
Yo, bro,
Yeah?
give me one. I can get it.
Eat all of this.
I can't.
Oh my god, bro, I'm so massive. Massive, you say? Holy Sigmaton.
Give me more!
Oh my god.
I need more! No!
Oh my god.
Look how small I am.
Massive. I'm turning massive.
Look at me. Where are you?
Is that all you got? Is that all you got?
Oh, hello, Kiki.
I can only get 2 people.
Wait, holy.
There, get him.
I literally just jumped the entire map in like under 2 seconds. Oh my god, bro, I love this. This might be massiver than a little taper fade meme. Did you say massive? Do you want to know if it's massive? I'll tell you what's massive. Hello? Oh man, I messed that up. Oh my god, bro, no, I'm going for a swim. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Oh yeah, so guys, I died in the water, so Gigi, you're so small.
Okay, let's hit another run. Let's hit another run.
Yeah,
I
let's hit
still have more
another
small
run.
ones. I still have more small ones.
I'm gonna go back.
Look at this.
I don't even think I need the light. Let me try to speed on this. I don't even need that. All I really need.
Ones.
Gigi, huh?
Oh, monkey can't reach him. No monkey can't reach him.
But why is the green one stealing all my stuff? Give me it. Give me it. I can't get it.
You're so short.
I'm so. I can't even put it.
You sound just like how you sound normally.
Bro, you got it.
Yeah.
Get it.
Oh,
Got it. I got it.
You Nick.
give it.
Yoink. Oh man.
Bro, give
Oh
it.
my god.
I'm trying to small, bro. I'm gonna turn back. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god, bro.
Alright, I'm gonna go hit another run.
Oh, I turned back.
Wait for me.
Okay. Let's run. Get lucky here, Kiki.
I need a grappler as well.
You need a light?
Yeah. Need a backpack as well. What you with?
That's the end of the video.
Well, he's ending his video.
So,
I want to try to get some crystals.
I'm not posting this, just as you know.
Well, but he's not posting it, guys. You heard it here first. Okay, guys. Let's try to do this. I know what to do without falling. Oh, these stay there.
I forgot the way to get over there.
Now that I think of it, I should have just actually just. jump there.
Bro, why are you here?
No! Ow, Jesus Christ! Come on, bro, let me please. Just do this. Let's go! Little King Kong. Uh-oh. I'm not gonna do this again. But let me just let me this time do this. Hey, what are you doing?
Look at you getting all of that. I'm massive, bro.
Massive, you say?
Oh my god! Yo! This way around ain't gonna mean nothing. Oh my god. I'm actually massive, huh? Bro, I'm actually massive. I can barely even fit in here anymore, bro. Bro, you should see how small your bag is.
Holy.
Yeah, I'm gonna go try to get something. This is massive.
Wow.
What's up, skibbity toilets? Bro, my grappler barely works. What in the world?
I guess that's it for the video today, guys.
If you get a revolver while you're big, you get a finger gun.
Well, yeah.
A revolver?
So that's it for today's video. See y'all next time.